So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we will be seeing a different kind of star pattern which is being included in the Python series. In my previous video, I have started a Python series where I have discussed 3 questions related to the interview which are being asked again and again about the star pattern. So most of us face difficulty in our earlier times how to do these kinds of code using the Python language. So to solve your queries and doubts, I am here for you. So let's see the first question again. It's a fourth question if I talk about the series. But in this video, it's the first question that is on your screen. That is first question would be, हमने ये स्टार पैटर्न बेसिकली पिछली वीडियो में भी देखा था, दैट इज इन द ऑपोजिट साइड, बिल्कुल रिवर्स में था, बिल्कुल मिरर इमेज देखी थी. अब हमने उल्टा साइड देखी है कि वो जो स्टार है वो दूसरी साइड आना चाहिए. और सेकंड क्वेश्चन है, इट्स अ ट्राइंगल पार्ट क्वेश्चन. ट्राइंगल में हमें पर्टिकुलर सीरीज चाहिए, लाइक 1 2 2 3 3 एंड 4 4. सो हमें ये वो क्या चाहिए, ट्राइंगल में चाहिए. सो थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज, हमें कॉन्जिक्यूटिव सीरीज चाहिए कि 1 2 3 4 5 6 ही आए, कोई 1 2 2 जैसे इसमें 1 2 2 3 3 नहीं आ रहा है, तो वो ऐसे हमें नहीं चाहिए. सो लेट्स सी. So let's see the code. Well, here I have used the, just wait. Okay, so now you can see here. First of all, we will be writing the code for the first question. That is, हमें पूरे जो भी स्टार पैटर्न वो एक रिवर्स ऑर्डर में, एक मिरर इमेज चाहिए. तो वो कैसे करेंगे? सबसे पहले हम स्पेसिस के बारे में देखेंगे. स्पेसिस प्लेज अ वेरी वाइटल रोल इन दिस क्वेश्चन. स्टार पैटर्न में स्पेसिस बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करती है. सबसे पहले हम स्पेसिस को देखेंगे कैसे मैनेज करना है. सो फॉर आई इन रेंज, हमें अगर 6 तक जाना है और हमें स्पेसेस चाहिए, सॉरी, स्पेसेस चाहिए 6 - तक, जितनी भी आए उतने से कम. अगर 0 है, I0 है, तो हमें स्पेसेस कितनी चाहिए? 6 स्पेसेस चाहिए हमें. ठीक है, तो क्या होएगा, स्पेसेस दे दो, स्पेस दे दो, एंड कर दो, उसमें भी स्पेस जाएगी. सो एंड में यू नीड टू राइट. सेकेंड थिंग इज स्टार पैटर्न. स्टार पैटर्न में कैसे होएगा? सेम जो मैंने पिछली वीडियो में आपको करवाया था. दैट इज, स्टार पैटर्न इज सिंपल, जहां तक हमने आई लेके जाना है वहां तक ही जे जाएगा. सो दिस इज बेसिकली द कोड फॉर दैट. हाँ, डोंट फॉरगेट टू राइट प्रिंट ओवर हेयर. प्रिंट का यहाँ पर बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले है, क्योंकि इसके बिना आपकी जो भी स्टार पैटर्न होएगा वो एक ही सीरीज में आएगा, एक ही लाइन में आएगा. सो इफ यू वांट द स्टार पैटर्न टू बी इन अ पर्टिकुलर पैटर्न, so then you have to write here it is print. Okay, so let's just run it. So can you see the output over here? Output will be given over here. Okay, so this is the code which we need. So we get that. Second question is much simple. So you can see the second question. We need a particular star pattern, not a star pattern. We need a numbers in a triangular shape. So how to do that? It's very simple. Just only a single change can change the whole star pattern. Let's see what it is. Only this end. If you remove this space from here end, then you will get your desired output. Isn't it a magic? Only a single change can change all the species and star pattern. So this is about the second question. Okay, if you have any doubt related to this question or the previous question, do comment me down. I'll really help you to resolve this issue. Okay, so the coming to the next question, that is, we need a consecutive series. Like, we want that a particular pattern should be involved, but in a consecutive series. Like, it should not be like that 1 2 2 3 3 3, which we have seen in the previous question, that is 1 2 2 in a triangular shape. Not like that, but we need that the particular pattern should be there in, that is the mirror image of the first question. But the thing is, irrespective of the stars, we need a consecutive series. Like, for example, 1 2 3 4 5 6, it should be a continuous manner. Okay, so to resolve that, what we need to do, it's very simple. Just write for I in range, that is, you need to have 6 steps. You can write 6 steps. For j in range of I, print y end will be, okay, we haven't mentioned y should be, first of all, kahan se hum start kar rahe hain, 1 se start kar rahe hain, so 1 will be the starting point, and there you need to y plus 1. So there print option should be made, because without that, there is no use to write whole code. Okay, so let's run it and see the output. Can you see this? We have got the desired output. So this is the basically 3 questions which I really wanted to share it with you guys. So if you have any questions in these type of questions, I will be sharing some more questions related to the star patterns also, so that you get comfortable with these series. Just understand the logic. It's not a rocket science. It's not something that we cannot do, but it's only the logic. You need to apply the logic every time whenever you are printing some kind of pattern. So there would be only some minor changes involved in the pattern, but it would lead to a huge change. Okay, so I hope you like my video. If you did, then please like my video as well, and do subscribe my channel. I hope you really get what I really wanted you to know about the star pattern series. So I will be continuing this series more in my further videos. Do appreciate me if you really wanted to. Thank you so much for liking my video and watching my video. Stay tuned with my next video. Thank you.